Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? I know the moment you see these cards, you must be excited that your favorite cards are back, the Kalima cards. So, yes, I am back with the Kalima cards. As I said, I bring as and when I can, and I'm sure you all are going to be happy seeing the cards. So, now let's start with the predictions. Let us see what has she got in store today. The first card which has come is the Gauri Devi. Now that's also a beautiful card, but at the same time, let me pull out one more card. Okay, luckily this time only one more has come. The Bhairavi Yogini. I think last time also Bhairavi Yogini came and I had given you all, Muladhara cleansing based on this. But now that these two have come, let's pick maybe one more card, a last card, just to see what is the final energy. Okay, that's a beautiful card, the Mahavidya. So I'll just keep it down so that I can start telling on the cards. So the first one is the Gauri Devi, the Bhairavi Yogini, followed by the Mahavidya. So starting with the beautiful Gauri Devi, she is a champion of sweet souls. Though she has a fierce heart, she is very gentle. She can be ruthless, but she is gentle. She is one of the most amazing forms of Kali. She transformed herself into a Kali to destroy a demon. Actually speaking, she had transformed it so that she can destroy someone who's troubling. When she comes in a reading, maybe you need to see what is happening around you. You embrace the side you like and you let go of the side you don't like. See to it that you're focusing and finishing your task. Just look at her, look at the third eye, and just tell her, oh beloved Gauri Devi, you are the goddess, you are the Kalima of the day and the dark night. I bow to you and I trust you that you will take me through the day to day in a way that I will know what I need to do and how I need to do. So just do that, and then I'm sure she's going to work on you and she's going to help you in all the ways she can, so that your day will be successful and your day will go the way you are planning and in your favor mainly. Now coming to the Bhairavi Vidya. I remember last time I had told you that this is the lady of wisdom. She is the Bhairavi, the goddess of wisdom. In Dashamaha Vidya, she is the sixth Devi who comes as wisdom, and she actually empowers things. She encourages you, she empowers you, she makes you more powerful, and she makes you to become successful also. When she comes, Muladhara is something you need to work on. So maybe today, just look at this. Last time I had told you all to do the Bij mantra for the Muladhara. You can follow the same thing. Today, because she has come, the color is definitely going to be red. Today also, what you can do is you can just say Jai Ma Kali 21 times and start your day. And when you're saying this Jai Ma Kali, just say Jai Ma Kali. I let go of my fear, I let go of my worries, because I know you are there to protect me. So that's for the Bhairavi. Now let's go to the last card. I'm really in love with this card because of the energies. I don't know, I feel a beautiful energy here also, and I'm in love with the lotus picture because this is the Mahavidya. Now Mahavidya basically means wisdom, which is manifested through all the Dashamahavidya goddesses. So this basically comes when there is unlimited opportunities coming your way, unlimited wisdom coming your way, everything coming your way which is limitless and in abundance. So what you can do is, when this comes, it's just that you need to just access the wisdom, tap your inner intuition, and just become successful. So look at this image. I'm just showing you this image in close up. Just look at this image and just tell her, oh dear Mahavidya, I bring my heart to you, I bring my soul to you, I bring myself to you, I surrender myself to you, so that you are there blessing me, helping me, and always guiding me. Today, at the end of the day, give grass to cow when you're coming back, and feed 3 to 4. Help people who are poor, or 3 to 4 stray animals, and I'm sure the Devi is going to bless you with beautiful and loads of abundance. Thank you.